Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? CSS text alignment, text decoration, text transformation, text spacing, and more. Let's start coding. I want to create a div and create a title H2 CSS tutorial, then create a paragraph tag. Okay, let's assign CSS to our div H2 and P. Let's give a border for div, border dotted and blue pixel blue. Save it. By the way, you can change the color like this. When you put your mouse on the color, you can change your color like this. Let's say that one. It's put in the RGB. RGB mean is red, green, blue. It is just mixing those colors according to that values and creating that color. Let's assign CSS to H2. I want the title centered. I use text align center. Save it or we center it. Let's make it uppercase. Text transform uppercase and save it. You see, let's assign color. Let's give that color. Save it, or we can change it as I said before. We can assign some shadow to CSS tutorials title, guys. We just need the text and shadow, and we assign pixel, let's say 3 pixel and 3 pixel. First 3 pixel is just moving the title 3 pixel right, and second 3 pixel is just moving the 3 pixel down. You see guys, we should make it a little bit less, or we can make it 1 pixel. It is actually copy title and move 1 pixel right and down. If you change that one, let's say 50 pixels, you see, or let's say that one 50 pixels, you see, it is just copying the title. And let's save it again. Let's assign CSS to p tag. Text indent. Text indent just pushing the first line to little bit right, 10 pixels, and save it. You see guys, let's make it 50 pixels. Just creating that area for us. We use sort of design for starting paragraph. As you see guys, the paragraph is not looking great. We just need to use another CSS code. Text align, justify, and save it. You see, it looks better. Let's put some letter space to make it better. Let's say 3 pixels and save it. Or you can make it less than 3 pixels like this. Let's give a link to a word in our paragraph. Let's say that one. I just need to assign a href tag and save it. You see guys, but we see the underline. So I want to remove that one. Let me remove that one for you. I just need to assign a style for H. Text decoration none. See guys, or if you want, you can give a color. Let's say color yellow green and save it. You see, or we can assign a hover effect if you want. A hover and color that one and save it. You see, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.